1. Breaking a plate at a wedding. The more it shatters, the better. And if it's not broken enough, you smash it more. Why? Well, in the Czech Republic, a beautiful Central European country with the medieval vibe, this is one of their important wedding traditions. Not many people talk about beauty of Czech online. I'm here to share 5 key Czech wedding traditions from a foreigner perspective, including a peek at our very own Czech wedding. If you enjoyed diving into these unique customs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I just married a Czech gentleman, and I'm Sabina from Taiwan. Welcome to my channel. Let me give you a quick rundown of today's video. 5 major Czech wedding traditions. The pre-wedding breakup ritual, kidnapping the bride, bride's flower wreath, the bouquet toss, and smashing the plates. Now, sit back, relax, let's dive in. First, the breakup ritual. So it's like the bride is breaking up her past self and stepping into a new life. Before the wedding, the groom has to pick up the bride from her family home to the wedding ceremony venue. But it's not that simple. He has to pass one challenge after another. He might have to complete the challenging tasks that require physical stamina, like carrying heavy objects or completing an obstacle course. Because let's be honest, marriage might be the ultimate endurance test. Let's don't give up. It's like a game. The groom has to clear each level before facing the final boss. So, does that make the bride the boss in the marriage? You tell me. Second, let's kidnap the bride. Just when the groom thinks he's made it through the pre-wedding trial, boom, his bride gets kidnapped. One moment she's there, the next she's gone. Her friends sneak her away to a secret location. Now he's on a mission to find her, but it's not that easy. He might be handed a cryptic note, a riddle, or even have to negotiate with hostages for clues. Maybe he's sent on a wild goose chase around the venue, forced to take a shot for every wrong turn. Sometimes there's a shortcut. He can bribe his way through with drinks, of course. Or worse, he could walk into a pub only to find his bride laughing at the bar, waiting for him to pay the tab before she agrees to be rescued. It's like an escape room, but with higher stakes. No pain, no gain. No bribe, no life. Third, the peak time, wedding ceremony. Something so different in the ceremonies that we're used to see the bride walk down the aisle with her dad. Well, in Czech weddings, the groom also walks with his mom. At the beginning, it symbolizes the importance of both parents in the couple's lives, highlighting family support and unity as they embark on their new journey together. The big moment finally arrives, the wedding ceremony. The couple stands before their loved ones and exchanges their vows, sealing their promise to spend a lifetime together. But what makes a Czech wedding stand out is the bride's flower wreath. Imagine this. She walks down the aisle wearing a crown made of fresh, vibrant flowers, each bloom symbolizing something beautiful, nature's blessings, purity, and the promise of new beginnings. This wreath isn't just a lovely accessory. It brings good fortune and harmony to the couple's new life together. The flowers represent purity, fertility, and the natural world, making it a meaningful and cherished part of the Czech wedding tradition. Maybe we should all wear one at our own wedding, or even every day. Don't you think? Brings us luck and fortune every single day. Isn't that sweet? After the ceremony, the couple leads the way in a car, followed by a parade of guests honking their horns as they head to the reception. Drivers and pedestrians join in the fun, cheering for the newlyweds. Honestly, this is one of my favorite parts. So fun and new. You can literally feel the love and blessings from Czech people. Thanks, Czechs. Love it. Next, come on up, all the single ladies. Time to catch that precious bouquet. At the reception, the bride stands tall, holding her bouquet, and with a cheeky grin, she tosses it behind to the crowd of single ladies. The tension goes high, the ladies are scrambling, and yes! It's believed that the one who catches it will be the next to marry. Should be the next to say, I do. Now, after all the excitement, it's time to dig in. The reception tables are loaded with mouth-watering traditional wedding dishes. Here are 3 iconic Czech wedding dishes I love the most. Viva's knedličky. I'm still learning Czech, obviously. It's clear broth with dumplings. A comfort and warming dish symbolizing the foundation and solid start to the couple's new life together, just like a warm home. Zlepní kolačky. It's wedding pastries. It's a round with the gem in the middle. These little sweet treats symbolize prosperity, fertility, and the sweetness of married life. They're a gesture of welcoming the new couple into the community with open arms. Zízek. You have to admit that the Czech R, it's hard to pronounce. Zízek. Try my best. It's like fried chicken, but a bit differently. It's a classic crispy and tender dish representing strength, durability, and the enduring nature of love. Every bite is like a promise to withstand the ups and downs of life together. And of course, the star of the show, Czech beer, the most famous drink in the world. Maybe it's German beer? I don't know. Mugs are clinging, laughters rolling, and everyone's toasting to love, happiness, and a good time. We'll attend a Czech wedding someday if you're invited. The last one, breaking the plate. The most iconic Czech wedding tradition. The couple clinks their glasses and takes a small shots of liquor, usually something like plum brandy or vodka. And it's time to smash a plate. Trust me, it's an absolute must-see. The plate is handed to the couple and boom, they smash it on the floor. But it's not just about the crash. It's about what comes next. The couple has to clean up the shattered pieces together, symbolizing teamwork in their married life. Because, let's be real, marriage isn't always smooth sailing. There'll be broken plates, but it's how you handle it together that counts. It's fun, it's chaotic. It's such a sweet reminder that no matter what life throws you away, you'll always have each other to clean up the mess. Isn't that just so beautiful? Right? And there you have it, folks. 5 unforgettable Czech wedding traditions. From the breakup ritual to smashing plates, each one holds a beautiful meaning about love, teamwork, and starting a life together. Tradition you found the most fun or surprising? Comment below. And hey, stick around for more cross-cultural traditions and travel adventures. My husband and I were traveling around the world. See you in a bit. I'm Sabina. Have a good life.